How to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. So let's get started. First, just head over to your Spotify application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on this create button at the bottom left corner and simply select this collaborative playlist, as you can see, where you can easily invite friends and create something together. So I'll simply create my playlist, which is a collaborative playlist one over here, and you can actually invite as a collaborator by simply tapping on this three dot icon and then selecting the share button over here, and just select this invite as collaborator option to invite other collaborator so that you both can listen to all of the music inside this playlist. So you can basically tap on this add to playlist to start adding all of the songs of your choice to your playlist, just like this. And once you're satisfied, you can easily share this with your other collaborators as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.